Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Identical blocks sliding down different frictionless ramps might seem tricky, but we can solve this physics puzzle fast by focusing on energy and work principles. Since friction is negligible, mechanical energy is conserved for both blocks. They start from the same height, meaning their initial potential energy converts entirely into kinetic energy at the very bottom. Because both blocks lose the same amount of potential energy, they must gain the same kinetic energy. This proves their final speeds are identical, making option A a definitely correct choice. Since the blocks are identical and fall the same vertical distance, gravity performs equal work on both. That makes option C our second correct answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and trust given values to find the right conservation laws.